Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Recipe Binder Kit is probably one of the most essential tools for any home cook looking to organize their culinary creations. It's a fantastic way to keep all your favorite recipes in one accessible place, making meal planning and cooking a breeze. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, a well-organized recipe binder can transform your cooking experience, making it more enjoyable and efficient. Number 5. Jot and Mark Recipe Binder with Sleeves. This sturdy binder is designed to keep your recipe cards safe and sound. It's built to handle frequent use, ensuring your favorite recipes stay organized and protected. The clear sleeves are spill-proof and provide easy viewing of your recipes. They keep your pages safe, making this binder a must-have for any kitchen. This recipe binder includes 30 beautifully designed pages. One side is lined for handwritten recipes, while the other is for printed ones. Easily organize your recipes with the included label dividers. Whether it's family favorites or new creations, this binder keeps everything neatly sorted. Turn this 3-ring binder into a timeless recipe card book. The sheet protectors and organizers keep your treasured recipes safe and accessible, a meaningful keepsake. What we like? This binder features a sturdy 3-ring design, ensuring your recipes stay safe. It also includes spill-proof clear sleeves, protecting your precious recipes from kitchen mishaps. If you're looking for a recipe binder that combines durability with practicality, this is the one for you. What people say. The spill-proof clear binder sleeves are a brilliant feature. The 30 dual-sided recipe card pages provide ample space to organize a large variety of recipes, and the tab dividers make finding exactly what I need a breeze. It comes with the binder, category dividers, matching recipe cards and the plastic sleeves. Everything is so high quality to last a lifetime. Number 4. Better Kitchen Recipe Binder Set. This complete set includes a stylish 3-ring binder, perfect for keeping all your favorite recipes in one place. It's designed to make cooking easier and more enjoyable. Inside, you'll find 50 clear protector sheets to keep your recipes safe from spills and stains. Plus, there are 12 divider tabs to categorize your recipes. The binder features a sleek kitchen design with stain-resistant padded covers. The 2.5 D-shaped ring allows it to lay flat when opened, making it easy to read and use. The protector sheets are extra durable with secure inward openings and heat-welded seams. The high-capacity D-rings and secure sheets ensure it will last for years. Inside the front and back covers, you'll find useful cooking tips and measurements. There's an equivalent measurements list, including standard to metric conversions, and even an emergency substitute ingredients list. What we like? This set comes with a complete package, including a binder, protector sheets, and divider tabs. The design is smart, with stain-resistant covers and a flat-lay design for ease of use. If you are looking for a comprehensive and stylish solution to organize your recipes, consider this. What people say. The ring closure works smoothly. The included tabs are sturdy, identifies numerous recipe categories. A good number of clear page protectors are included and you'll be able to easily add even more pages. Number 3. Better Kitchen Recipe Binder Set. This complete set includes an 8.5 x 9.5 inch 3-ring binder. It also comes with 50 clear protector sheets, 100 recipe cards, and 12 divider tabs. Everything you need to organize your recipes is included. The binder, divider tabs, and recipe cards all share a matching vintage kitchen design. This creates a cohesive and stylish look for your recipe collection. It's a beautiful way to keep your recipes organized. The binder features stain-resistant padded covers and D-shaped rings. The protector sheets are durable and secure. This design ensures the binder stays flat and protects your recipes. The 2 D-rings offer a high capacity for your recipes. The recipe cards and divider tabs are well protected. This set is designed to last and keep your recipes safe. Inside the front and back covers, you'll find useful cooking tips. There's an equivalent measurements list and a list of emergency substitute ingredients. It's a handy resource for any cook. What we like? This recipe binder offers a complete set with a matching theme throughout. The smart design includes stain-resistant covers and a flat-lay design. If you like a cohesive and well-designed recipe organization system, this is a great choice. What people say. Love that there are lots of cards, the categories are super useful. Love the space on the card to really get the full recipe in with extra space on the back if needed. The binder is durable and nice looking. Came with plenty of recipe cards and nicely made. Number 2. Recipe Binder Organizer with Recipe Cards. This beautiful recipe binder features a gorgeous floral design, making it a lovely addition to any kitchen. It's perfect for organizing all your cherished family recipes, making cooking even more enjoyable. The set includes a binder, matching recipe cards, divider tabs, clear sleeves, and full-page sleeves. It's designed to be an heirloom, a family recipe card binder for generations to come. This recipe organizer has plenty of room for over 100 dual-sided recipe cards, as well as space for clippings, notes, and photographs. The cards fit perfectly in the binder and other standard filing systems. The water-resistant binder cover is sturdy and made to last. The plastic page protectors and dividers are tear-free and waterproof, protecting all your favorite family recipes. The 3 rings make it easy to add or remove recipe cards. This recipe holder arrives in a beautiful gift box, making it a fantastic gift for various occasions. It's a great way to hold your most loved family recipes or meal ideas. What we like. The binder boasts a beautiful artisanal design, making it a lovely addition to any kitchen. It also includes a complete set with recipe cards and dividers. If you are looking for a beautiful and complete recipe organizer, you should consider this. What people say. It includes protective sleeves, dividers, and recipe pages, beautifully decorated with flowers. The pages have a title space, and spaces for prep time, cook time, and how many it serves. It has a nice space for ingredients, but the best part is that half the page and the whole other side is entirely for directions, leaving no stress about how you are going to cram the words in. Number 1. Recipe Binder Kit, 8.5x11 Recipe Book. This recipe binder kit comes with everything you need. It includes a 3-ring binder, sheet protectors, dividers, and labels. It's a great gift for anyone who loves to collect recipes. You'll also get free print templates for full page and 4x6 cards. You can download them from the product documentation. This makes it easy to organize your recipes. The binder is designed to hold 8.5 by 11-inch paper. The spine allows you to add more pages. This allows you to easily flip through your recipes. The cover, dividers, and sheet protectors are all made to last. They're laminated for extra durability and easy cleaning. You can use it for years on all your cooking projects. Easily read your recipes through the clear sheets. The tab dividers help you quickly find each category. There's also a measurement conversion table inside, which is a helpful addition in your kitchen. Create a recipe organizer to fit your needs. The dividers come with unlabeled tabs and 24 labels. You can mark down each category and sort out your recipes. What we like. This kit is an all-in-one solution, offering everything you need to organize your recipes. It's also larger and thicker, providing ample space for your recipes. If you are looking for a durable and spacious recipe binder, this is the perfect choice. What people say. He not only was excited about the pages to keep the recipes in, but there were also listings of measurements and substitutions. This will be $5 ticket to get them organized. They are now arranged neatly in the book. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.